5 on the board. Good catch.
Good clean catch. Maybe that will be what turns things around for the Bangladeshis because they've been relatively ordinary so far, but this is a brilliant catch. Firmly struck by Andreas House, and it was swept off of middle stump, traveling and dying as it got all the way to that fielder down the deep square leg. That is a brilliant sliding catch. Athletic catch by Mustafizur Rahman, who is not one of the ones who you think of who's one of the better fielders in the side, but he does really well here. Going down low, there you see on the replay, that's not an easy catch, but he does well enough to take it inches off the ground. And again, maybe that, Lenny, will be what energizes this Bangladeshi side.
So Rashad Hussain has picked up the first wicket by a bowler. We've seen a very good knock from Andreas House. How entertaining that was, Brian, in the scope of some classy looking shots through the offside from Andreas House.
Very entertaining. Now, what I think you're going to have to pay attention to, in fact, I'm not exactly sure. Maybe they're checking the replay to see if that carried. Okay, so there we see the signal from umpire Bandeker, noting that Andreas House is still on the infield, so hasn't gone off of the field. And I think the umpires are going to want to take a look at this.
সবাই আমাদের পেজটিকে ফলো করবেন আর বেশি বেশি করে শেয়ার করবেন ধন্যবাদ সবাই আমাদেরকে একটু সাপোর্ট করবেন আমাদের পেজটাকে ফলো করে ভিডিওটাকে শেয়ার করে দিবেন ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে সবাই আমাদের পেজটিকে ফলো করবেন আর বেশি বেশি করে শেয়ার করবেন ধন্যবাদ সবাই আমাদেরকে একটু সাপোর্ট করবেন
And he does well, not only to complete the catch, but then to roll over to elevate the ball